In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a motion sensor alarm. For this video, you'll need really any kind of buzzer that you can find that works, a battery which has a voltage of about 5 or more, a breadboard, and of course your motion sensor, which will be linked in the description below. To start, you're going to want to grab your breadboard and your sensor. You're going to want to put your ground and your VCC into the breadboard, any holes as long as they are not linked at all. You can see which pins are which by looking at the different pin labels underneath the cover, which you can take off quite easily. Now grab your buzzer and connect the positive end to your signal wire or out. And for this final step here, you're just going to want to connect your negative to ground and your positive to VCC, and then put your negative side of the buzzer to the negative side of the battery. Now you should be all good to turn it on. So it should just turn on for a bit and then turn off. And now you can wave your hand in front of it and see if anything happens. So now there's a couple of things which you can adjust. The first thing which you can adjust is this little yellow thing here. So when you have it on these two wires, that means that when it detects something, it will go off and then will turn off no matter what. But if you have it on these two wires here instead of that one, then as long as there is something moving in front of the sensor, then it will stay on until whatever's in front of it either stops moving or gets out of its range. Then the other thing which you can also adjust is these two little potentiometers here. So this side right here is to adjust how sensitive it is. And then this side here is to adjust the delay time, so how long it is on for. So you could put this on a little circuit board and solder it together. You could put it in like a little box. You could do anything like that, but I've got it here on a breadboard. I would not recommend using this as your home security system because it's not the most 100% reliable thing in the world. So that's it for this video. I've got some pretty exciting stuff coming up, so remember to subscribe and like. That's all I have for this video. Goodbye.